Good morning, students. Beta, today's topic in mathematics, which we are going to start, is the statistics, that is actually data handling. And in this topic, first we will read and understand some basic definitions. So, statistics is the collection, organization, presentation, interpretation, and analysis of the data. So, this is the definition of statistics. And the word data is used. So data can be collected by conducting surveys, completing questionnaires, carrying out observations, conducting interviews, and taking measurements. So these are some methods of collecting data. The data collected can then be presented in the forms of the tables, diagrams, and graphs. So these are some important definitions. And now we are going to start our first topic in statistics, that is pictogram. A pictogram is a simple way of representing data where the frequency is indicated by the number of the identical pictures. So the thing important is data is represented by identical figures. So next is a key is included in the pictogram to explain what each individual picture represents. So the next point to remember is key should always be there. Key represent actually what number is represented by each picture. Now we are going to solve a question. This question will make your concepts clear about pictogram. Question is, the pictogram below illustrates the number of the music CDs sold by a shop in certain month. So first look at the picture, look at the figure. Figure is actually represented by number of identical figures, and look here, there is a key. Key shows one figure represent 100 CDs. So these are the things which are actually must for pictograms. So the first question is, how many rock and roll CDs were sold in that month? So here are rock and roll. So the CDs represented in rock and roll are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are full figures, and one figure is actually 3 by 4 of the full. So we will multiply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 whole number 3 by 4 multiplied by 100. So 6 whole number 3 by 4 multiplied by 100. Solve it on calculator. You will get an answer of 675. Next question is, which type of the music was most popular? So for getting answer of most popular music, you have to look at the most of the figures in which categories it is given. So it is given in pop music. So pop music was the most popular. We can see from the figure. Next question is, calculate the percentage of the classical CDs sold in that month. So for getting the percentage of the classical CDs, you have to put the number representing classical CDs in numerator and total number of the CDs in denominator, multiply by 100. So classical CDs, in their classical CDs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 number of CDs are given in the classical. So 7 will be put in the numerator. Now we will count full. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This will make 22. This will make 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So in total, there are 28 CDs given in the table. So 28 will be placed in denominator, multiply by 100%, solve it on the calculator. You will get answer 25%. Last part is, if the shop earns $1.35 for selling each CD, how much profit did the shop earn for selling all the CDs for that month? So for the whole month, you have just counted 28 CDs are there. So one CD is actually representing 100. So 28 multiplied by 100 means that shop has sold 2800 CDs in the full month. So look here, total number of the CDs sold is 2800, and on one CD the shop is actually earning $1.35. So you will multiply 2800 multiply by 1.35. and you will get answer $3780. That is actually the earning of the CD shop sold in that particular month. The statement of the question is the group of the secondary 1 students were asked to choose their favorite pet. The information obtained is illustrated on the pictogram below. So here is the pictogram, and the key is each. This one figure represents 20 students. So this is the key. And now the questions are: find the number of the students who choose the cat. So here is the cat. So figures are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 figures are there, and one figure represents 20 students. So in total there will be 10 multiplied by 20 equal to 200. So 200 students choose cat. Which is the most popular pet? So from the figure we can see here is cat that is having most of the figures. So cat is the most popular pet. Next is find the total number of the students in the group. So we will count now: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 and a half, and this will make 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So the 30 multiplied by 20. So there are actually 600 students in total. The next requirement is write down the fraction of the students who choose the parrot as their favorite pet, giving your answer in its lowest term. So parrot, and here is the parrot: 1, 2, 2 and a half. So 2 and a half multiplied, each figure represents 20. So 25 twos are 50. So 50 is the total number of the students. So now the requirement is fraction. So the fraction will be 50 over total number, that is 600. So 5 ones are 0, 0 will cancel, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 5 twos are 10. So 1 by 12 is the required fraction. And the last requirement is calculate the percentage of the students. So the last requirement is calculate the percentage of the students who choose the fish as their favorite pet. And here is fish. So fish, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 multiplied by 20 over, this is actually the total number of the students. So fish, now we want to convert it into percentage. So divided by total number of the students, that is 600, multiplied by 100%. And after cancellation, 2 zeros will be cancelled by 2 zeros. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. So 20% is the required answer. The statement of the next question is the following distribution shows the number of different flavored sweets sold in a tuck shop one morning. So here is the table. Requirement is draw a pictogram to represent the information. So these are the flavors. So strawberry, then lemon, raspberry, and finally others. So these are the flavors. Here is the key. For example, each this represent 4 sweets. This is the key, and now we are going to solve it now. Here are 22. So 4 5s are, so 5 will be 5 complete circles will be there. 3, 4 and 5, and one half circle will be there. In this we have 19, so 4 4s are 16, so 4 complete circles will be there, and one quarter circle will be there. In this we have 13, so 4 3s are 13, so 3 complete circles will be there, and one quarter circle will be there. In this we have 26, so 4 6 are 24, so 6 complete circles will be there, and one half circle will be there. So this is the pictogram, and the second requirement in the question is calculate the percentage of the lemon flavored sweets sold that morning. So required percentage, so this is B part. Required percentage, lemon flavor is 19, and in total we have 22 plus 19 plus 13 plus 26 equal to 80. So 80 will be in the denominator, multiplied by 100%. So solve it now. 1900 over 80. Answer is 23.75. So this is the required percentage. The statement of the question is the pictogram below illustrates the daily production of computers in a factory for 1 week. So here is the pictogram. Key is each figure represents 50 computers. So here is the key. Now the requirement in A part is complete the table below. So in Monday we are having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.5. 4.5 multiplied by 50. So 4.5 multiplied by 50 is equal to 225, that is given. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 5s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 50, 5 5s are 25, so 250. Next is 1, 2, 3 and 3 and a half. So 3.5 multiplied by 50 equal to 175. Next is Thursday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 5s are 35. So 350. Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 5s are 25. So 250. Saturday. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and a half. So 4.5 multiplied by 50. That is 225. And finally, Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5s are 30. So this is 300. So these are the number of the computers made on each day. Next requirement is on what day was the production greatest. So in the pictogram, we can see that Thursday is the day which is having the greatest production. So we will write Thursday in B part. So on Thursday, the production is the highest. Next question is how many more computers were produced during the weekdays than the weekends? So this can be solved by adding the weekdays computer. So weekdays, that is 2 to 5 plus 250 plus 175 plus 350 plus 250. So up to here are weekdays. So we will solve it now. That is equal to 2 to 5 plus 250 plus 175 plus 350 plus 250 equal to, this is 1260. So this is the number made in weekdays, and here is weekends. So Saturday and Sunday, that is 2 to 5 and 300 are weekdays production, so it will make 525. Now the requirement is how many more computers. So more can be find out by subtracting 1260 and 525. So 1260 minus 525 equal to 735. So 735 is the answer of C part. And finally, D part, find the total number of the computers. So total number of the computers can be finded out by adding all these computers. So up to in weekdays, 735 computers were produced, and on weekends, 525 computers are produced. So in total, 757 and 512, and it will make 60. So 1260 computers are made in total in full week. The statement of the question is, the pictogram below illustrate the number of the glasses of lemonade sold in a week. So here is a pictogram. Key is each figure in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are there in a figure. So one figure represents 30 glasses of the lemonade sold. A part's requirement is find the number of the glasses of the lemonade sold on Friday. So here is Friday, and the lemonade sold are two complete figures are there, and one figure is consisting of only two parts out of six. So 2 whole number 2 by 6, 2 whole number 2 by 6 multiply by each figure is representing 30 glasses. So 30 will be multiplied with it. So after solving it, 6 2s are 12 plus 2 14 by 6 multiplied by 30. 6 5s are 30 and 14 5s are 70. So 70 glasses is the answer. These are actually sold on Friday. B part is, on what day was the most number of the glasses of the lemonade sold? So from the figure we can see the highest number of the figures are given in Sunday. So Sunday is the most, on Sunday most number of the glasses of the lemonade sold. So Sunday is the answer. Next part is find the ratio of the numbers of the glasses of the lemonade sold during the weekdays to the number of the glasses of the lemonade sold during the weekends. So weekdays, this is C part actually. Weekdays ratio weekends. So on weekdays, up to here are weekdays. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 figures are complete, and 10, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts will make an other figure complete, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. So 11 whole figures and 4. So 11 whole figures, 4 by 6. So these are actually the figures, and each figure representing 30. So multiplied by 30. And on weekends, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 complete figures, and one part will be joined here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 figures will be completed. 8 whole number 2 by 6. So these are actually figures on weekends given. So multiplied by 30 will convert it into the number of the classes. So now we will solve it. 11 6 are 66 plus 4 70 over 6 multiplied by 30. 8 6 are 48 plus 2 50 divided by 6 multiplied by 30. 6 5s are 30. 6 5s are 30. Here we'll make 350 and here will be 250. And now we will solve, 0 will be cancelled and 5 sevens are and 5 fives are. So this is the ratio. So this is the ratio of weekdays classes to weekend classes. And the last requirement is, that is D part. Find the total number of the glasses of the lemonade sold in that week. So total number of the glasses are actually weekdays and weekends. We don't need to count it again because we have counted. On weekdays 350 glasses are sold and on weekends 250 glasses are sold. So total are 600 glasses sold in that week.